What's going on, y'all? SBS, and I'm back with another one. Hey, this why the wife don't let me let me drive her car, man. Hey, I'll say like in the next month or so, I'll give me a little daily drive, because I don't want to drive the damn thing anyway, because it take $93, $3. Pain in the ass filling that cost now. Give me something cheap. I've been looking at a Cut Dog Supreme, man. 90s joint. I had about 4 on. I think I want another one. But I also been looking at the Yukon XL Suburban. Couple of them, man. But anyway, I'm gonna put some fluid in the machine and a fresh battery. I know the battery in here died from sitting. But I'm just ready to see what we got now that we fixed the leaks. I know this machine gonna take all of this fluid. I need to get some caps too for the I need to see where the float at on this machine too, but I need to get some caps when I do pull this motor out. I don't want the fluid leaking all everywhere. Oh, I don't even have one. I got a dipstick. It's even better. Old ass machine. But it's gonna go though. So let me get a fresh battery, put it in here, and what else? One more thing. A funnel for the fluid. I might need both of these. Take six gallons. So 10, 5 and 5. So let me go get that battery. Then I'll be on to something. I only get batteries from the same place now. I forgot to do that sponsor, man. Sponsorship. Hot battery. You ready? I believe I left my funnel back here. Yep. Can't even really see it, but yeah, I see it. So yeah, let's get this fluid in here. Get the battery changed out. And we'll see what we're looking like. I'm ready. I'm ready to see. The lift, it was lifting. Cause it was running low on fluid last time I was playing with it, but it was lifting. So I know we can at least get that. And then the tilt, we had to just play with it. Yeah, I'm glad that thing got a filter on it. That's good. Somebody had a chinchilla back there. Y'all see it? So yeah, let's get it. I forgot a couple weak things. Gotta connect these back. And then the hose is on the tilt cylinder. I ain't connect those back either, so gotta get my tools. So I'm still gonna change the battery. I just ain't gonna be able to crank it yet. I gotta go get the tools. Connect this front back. We'll be able to test. This is how far I came with these rentals, man. Got another blue cap. I didn't know. I know y'all about to laugh at me, you people that do know about this stuff. I didn't know these things had throttles when I first got it. But I was calling J-Rock uncle, like, he keep dying. He like, you adjust the throttle? I was like, throttle? I didn't know it had a throttle. I ain't know you could turn the key the opposite way and preheat the engine. I ain't know none of that stuff for real. So laugh it up, man. Hey, we all learn though. I'm just learning. I'm learning the way you don't want to learn with the money. Shit, I wish I had somebody to help me with this stuff. Yeah, you can preheat that way. I gotta tighten the battery up. Yeah, so I don't know if this machine, if that's preheat, but it don't work. When I turn it the other way, it still don't work. So but I know to crank up with some starter fluid, so I got something in the garage, I'm sure. I forgot to cut the fuel on. That might have been my problem. And then that is how you preheat it, turn it to the opposite way. It tell you right there. Alright, let's see what we got. Got the throttle in the middle. Nope. Turn the throttle all the way down. Make sure this all the way down too. See what we got. See what we got. Ah, shit. Sound like we about to have a dead battery. Put that wire on the positive. Might can get some action like that. It's the wire to warm up the injectors or whatever. Glow plugs, that's what they is. It's the wire to do that. Give me a go through that manual. I wish I had another machine to compare. I'll clean up all this. And I need to get those gauges working. Cause they none of them work. Absolutely none. Well, it's cleaner than what it was though when I first got it. Cause I started one in there, so I ain't know what was what. Alright, so they warming up. Let's see what we can get. Alright, hurry up, take it off. Right in my face. So I wanna know what's the price difference between the two. Cause I should've went to Walmart, but I ain't got time to be going that far. Let's get this one. I'm back. Let's see, I'm gonna show y'all. It starts like damn near immediately with some starter fluid. Like I said, you don't need too much. Or at least I don't need too much. Yeah. Play with the throttle. Oh, need a little bit more. Cut that thing down. Dang, hit my head. This thing was dripping. Right here. Y'all see it just move? Probably not. This thing was dripping. This was just flowing down. Let's see at this other side. Still good for now. see what the problem is now. Look. So look. It's going down on both controls. Hold on. Turn it up a little bit. This and that. It's still going up. I'm pressing it up. It's still going up. With the tilt, it's stuck, man. So that's gonna need some work. I don't know if it's this piece or the pedal. You gotta like stomp that motherfucker. See? That's working. I think it's just the pedal though. It's getting easier. Look, it's dropping. Let's just see though what we got. Make sure we ain't leaking. Okay, so it's official. If somebody know about these, y'all tell me why this thing still rolls. Look, it's rolling back and forth. It still rolls when it's off. If I turn the auto down, it rolls slower. But yeah, no more leaks. No more hydraulic oil. So now we can fix the other issues. Let's see where we at after everything done got fluid. I can't even tell. Seems like we still full. Add 2 quarts. I got 2 quarts. Still in that thing. I'm happy about that. I remember before, I'm gonna put a little before clip of what this was doing. This was leaking bad, and this was leaking worse. Yeah, we dry. Now I gotta diagnose that other. Damn, that damn tire went flat. Ain't one thing, it's another, man. Well, I'm about to put this machine up. Just happy that that's fixed. So I got my attachments. Gotta take care of, and then spool valve in the tire. And whatever leak this is back here, got this leak. Probably the main seal. Rear main seal. But it still got a lot of oil in it, so cut it off so I can put it up. So guys, I'm in the house eating some cereal. Hey, no leaks, but we do got that leak in the back. No hydraulic fluid leak. Big plus. Next we working on the spool valve. Since the motor that come out anyway, we'll do that one first. And I think I want to get the replacement one rebuilt. That way I know it's good, because I'm not trying to be taking all that stuff in and out. And I'm gonna get a quote to see what's the estimated price range just to do it. Just doing both, man. You never know. Anytime it gotta come out, man, I can always go to the same place, but I don't want to be taking it in and out, and I don't want to really have a replacement one, because that piece in working condition is over $1,000. So, I mean, the one that I have that's claimed good, I could just sell that one, get mine fixed, that way I know it's good. And like I said, if I ever have any issues, I'm gonna have to take the motor out anyway, and I don't really need to have one on hand. So yeah, that's how I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, y'all definitely stay tuned. Next, I'll be pulling the motor out. That's it, man. I'm out.